Hello, in this video I'll show you how I control Sonos on my Mac. I don't use the deprecated Sonos desktop app, but instead develop an app called the menu bar controller. The menu bar controller is always accessible in the Mac's menu bar. It gives me the controls that I need in my day-to-day listening. Playback controls, volume, system and grouping, and access to my music library. I can access my favorites pretty neatly just from this pop-up. If I want to select other music, I have access to my full music library. I can search all my streaming services that I have connected to Sonos. I can search my local music library from my network, and I can also manage playlists and again access my favorites. The queue is fully editable, and I could also save it as a new playlist if I wish. Another powerful feature are scenes. You can think of scenes as full system configurations that you can execute with just one click. For instance, I have this wind down scene configured. What it does is it selects my Move To speaker, sets it to a given volume, doesn't change its EQ, but it sets its playback source as this radio station that I have in my favorites, configures the playback settings like shuffle and repeat, and then it also sets a sleep timer so it automatically stops after half an hour. The app's main philosophy is to be simple and seamless within macOS. One thing that also contributes to this are keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are by default set to the Mac's audio control keys, but you could configure them however you like. The app has many powerful features, and I definitely suggest you to give it a try. You can get it on the App Store. You can download the app for free, then you'll get a 14-day trial period to verify it works for you. And after that, if you decide to keep it, it'll be a one-time lifetime unlock. So there's no subscription, it'll be yours forever. Thanks for watching, and I hope it's been helpful to you.